The Galaxy Note 20 has turned out to be its own Lite variant. Samsung came out with the Lite variant of Galaxy S10 and Galaxy Note 10 last year. The company watered down its high-end devices to provide a premium experience to customers who don't want to pay a flagship level price. We already know that the company is planning such a variant for Galaxy S20, which may be launched as the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, while we heard nothing about the Galaxy Note 20 Lite or Fan Edition. That's because the Galaxy Note 20 is basically its own Lite variant. Would Galaxy Note 20 Lite even be more sense now? The major Note 20 leaks revealed that there will be a significant difference between the Galaxy Note 20 and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. While they will share the same chipset, these devices won't be nearly as similar as the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus were. Take the display for example. The Galaxy Note 20 features a 6.7-inch of Super AMOLED display with a 60Hz of refresh rate. It won't support the 120Hz of dynamic refresh rate we are expecting on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. That's surprising, given that three models in the Galaxy S20 series features 120Hz of refresh rate. This Full HD Plus resolution display will be flat panel with a very noticeable chin, not something you will expect to see on a flagship phone in 2020. Unlike the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, the Galaxy Note 20 is only going to have an 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. There won't be a micro SD card slot, so external expansion is not going to be possible. Even the stylus may not be as capable. The leak revealed that the Galaxy Note 20's S Pen will have a 26 millisecond latency, while the Ultra's S Pen will have an ultra low latency of just 9 milliseconds. There is going to be a huge difference between the camera setup of these devices as well, with the Galaxy Note 20 missing out the 108 megapixel camera sensor. Perhaps the most alarming indication of this being a fully premium device is alleged to plastic bag, even though it's going to have a metal frame. That's what the leaks claims anyway. And it's indeed difficult to imagine a flagship phone in 2020 without a metal and a glass build. It's evident that these devices need to be substantially price difference between the Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. That's because a lot more compromises has been made this time around than we have ever seen before on these multi-model flagships from Samsung. A recent report claims that there will be at least be a $200 price difference between the two models. Samsung will maintain some features partially across both handsets. They will both enable users to access DeX wirelessly, access almost 90 console-level gaming through Xbox Game Pass via Project xCloud, in addition to having a support for 5G and Wi-Fi 6. They are also going to run Android 10 out of the box with One UI 2.5. The company would need to cut a lot more from the device if it intends to launch the Galaxy Note 20 Lite. There won't be enough to shave off to begin with, at least when compared to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. If it does, the resulting device will essentially be mid-range handset, which would seem out of the place in Samsung 2020 lineup. The S Pen would be still remain the obvious draw for the customer, but the Lite variant will be cheaper and might be end up cannibalizing the Note 20 sale. It's already have very capable mid-range in the Galaxy A71, and Samsung has also revealed a 5G equipped variant of the device. Samsung may have made all these calculations and realized that the Galaxy Note 20 Lite might not fit in the builds this year. So perhaps the decision was then made to have a much wider split between the capabilities of Galaxy Note 20 model. Ultimately, it comes down to the pricing. For many, the sweet spot for the Galaxy Note 20 is going to be between the $949 Galaxy Note 10 and $700 Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Could Samsung really consider a sub-$900 price for its newest flagship? That we will only come to know once the Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra are unveiled on August 5th. So guys, what do you think about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20 device? Would you buy that device which is coming with a mid-range category of design and specification insight? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also please do consider subscribing my channel for more updates regarding the Galaxy Note 20 and other devices which are coming this month. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.